19th December Current Affairs. Global Investment Risk and Resilience Index 2025. Henley and Partners, in collaboration with Alpha Group, has released the Global Investment Risk and Resilience Index 2025, which assesses countries amidst geopolitical uncertainty, economic volatility, technological shifts, and climate risks. India ranked 104th. Switzerland emerged as the world's most resilient country for investors, while Lebanon ranked last. First global credit card, Flex. Google has launched its first global credit card, Flex, from India. This card has been launched in partnership with Axis Bank and operates on the RuPay network. Flex offers instant rewards on every transaction, unlike traditional credit cards where rewards or cashback are credited later. These instant rewards can be used immediately for subsequent payments. India's first large-scale battery-grade lithium refinery. Taking a historic step towards making India self-reliant in the clean energy sector, Singareni Collieries Company and Altman have signed a Memorandum of Understanding to establish the country's first large-scale battery-grade lithium refinery in Hyderabad. The aim is to develop lithium refining capabilities domestically and implement advanced technologies based on global standards in India. Lithium is a critical mineral that is central to electric vehicles, energy storage systems, and the clean energy transition. New logo for regional rural banks. The Ministry of Finance unveiled a new logo for regional rural banks, signifying a single and unified brand identity. Currently, 28 RRBs are serving the nation through a vast network of over 22,000 branches across more than 700 districts. The colors of the RRB logo have been chosen to represent the objectives of the RRBs, with dark blue symbolizing finance and trust, while green represents life and growth, reflecting their mission to serve rural India. State Bank of India. Ashwini Kumar Tiwari, Managing Director of State Bank of India, will continue in his position. The central government has approved an extension of his tenure. He will now remain in this role until 31st December 2027. His current term was set to end in January 2026. Tiwari previously headed SBI Card. His reappointment will be effective from the date he assumes charge. International Migrants Day 2025. International Migrants Day, observed every year on 18th December, highlights the contributions, challenges, and rights of millions of migrants worldwide. Recognizing the rapidly growing number of migrants globally, the United Nations General Assembly officially proclaimed this day on 4th December 2000. The day sheds light on the complexities of migration. People leave their homes due to conflict, climate change, economic hardship, and in search of safety, often undertaking perilous journeys. The theme for 2025 is My Great Story, Culture and Development. India's major diplomatic move for Republic Day 2026. India has made a major diplomatic move for Republic Day 2026. European Commission President Ursula von der Leyen and European Council President Antonio Costa will be the chief guests on 26 January. This is not just a ceremonial gesture. The larger objective is to finalize a free trade agreement between India and the European Union. Both sides are expected to seal this historic deal at the India-EU Summit on 27 January. Air India. Air India has won the Travel Plus Leisure India and South Asia's Best Domestic Airline Award for the second consecutive year. This recognition reflects the increasing emphasis placed by passengers on comfort, quality of service, and consistency, as the airline continues its journey of transformation. Air India is owned by the Tata Group, which acquired the airline from the Indian government in 2021. Air India was founded in 1932 as Tata Airlines and was nationalized in 1953. UPI Biometric Authentication Feature. Amazon Pay has launched a UPI biometric authentication feature in India, allowing users to make payments up to 5,000 rupees using their fingerprint or face scan without entering a PIN, making digital payments faster and easier. This feature is currently available primarily for Android users and also enhances security, as the biometric data is linked to the device and cannot be shared. Amazon Pay was initially launched in 2007 and later rebranded as Amazon Pay. Oman has bestowed its highest civilian honor to Indian Prime Minister Narendra Modi. Oman has bestowed its highest civilian honor, the Order of Oman, upon Indian Prime Minister Narendra Modi for his contributions to elevating bilateral relations to new heights. Oman's Sultan Haytham bin Tariq Al Said presented the special award to Prime Minister Modi in the capital city of Muscat. This is the 29th International Award for Prime Minister Narendra Modi. He is the first Indian Prime Minister to receive such a large number of top civilian honors from various countries.